So we are going to talk about surface area of 3D figures. And the two that we are going to focus on for this lesson are prisms and cylinders. The other type of shape we're going to look at is a cylinder. A cylinder is a type of prism, but it's a very specific type because it always has a set of circles for the base. So you can see the formula. Remember that the area of a circle is pi r squared, so you can see in this formula you have the area for the circles. 2 pi r squared takes care of the two bases, plus 2 times pi times the radius r times the height takes care of the rest of that shape. So I have a specific diagram I'm looking at. I'm going to go through my 4-step process again. This is a cylinder. I have the formula written, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. I'm looking for the radius, the r, and the height to be able to fill in the variables. In this particular diagram, my radius is 11 and my height is 26. Remember, height is the part of the shape that connects the two bases. So I've got 26 for my height. And I'm going to plug those things into the formula. 2 pi times 11, which was my radius, 11 squared, plus 2 pi times my radius, 11, plus my height, 26. When I multiply all of my numbers, I get 242 pi plus 572 pi. When I simplify all that, I get 2,557.26 yards squared. And finally, I've got one more diagram I need to find the surface area for. My 4-step process. I have a cylinder. Here's my formula. I need to find the radius and the height to be able to work this formula. In this particular case, the circles are on the left and right side of the shape. They're still considered the base. So the 15 stands for the diameter. I want the radius, so I'm going to divide it in 2, and I get 7.5 for my radius. My height connects the two circles. That's where the 9 comes in. And I'm going to plug it into my formula. 2 pi times 7.5 squared plus 2 pi times 7.5 times 9. I'm going to simplify that and get 247.5 pi. And that's going to be simplified into 777.54 meters squared.